Hello, today I'm going to introduce you a smart air pump. This air pump can pump your car tires, your motorcycle tires, your bicycle tires, ball tires like basketball, volleyball, any ball tires. Also, you can customize the mode. The mode will be next. I will explain to you. This smart air pump has different modes. Let me open the box. First, let me show you the box. So this side up. The manual. The back. The back can put this one, this air pump, into the bag. Because I'm outside now, some degree of wind sometimes blow. I need to keep it inside the box to prevent them from being blown away. The accessory bag. The charging cable, USB charging cable, Type-C charging. Press the valve. needle for the ball. I put it inside the box. Now the air pump. This is the hose. Pull it out. Hose inside. Pull it out. Pull it out. This is for car. And this hole is for connection to the hose. And this is Type-C for charging. And this is LED light. This is cooling. This is cooling place. Let the hot air out. Pull air hose. This one. Pull air hose. This one. I connect the hose. This is for connection. Screw it. This is for connection to the car tires. So here, one in the middle is power button, and the below power button is the letter M, is mode, for different mode, and above power button is unit. Unit is the level, the measure unit of the air pressure. Minus, plus for preset. I power it on. I press the power button and hold it. Press and hold it. Power on. Now the mode is for car. See the sign for car. The sign for car. And the green, the left four green bars are for battery level. Now battery level is fully charged, full battery level. And the top, at the top is the measured level of the tire pressure. And now it is not measured. It is not with the connection of the car tire, so it is 0 now. And the bottom is the preset level. We can preset the level